Shivaya Namaga, Tiruvallidayam, Tiruvallீஸ்வரர் Temple. It is located at Podi in Chennai. After worshipping Vinayagar, we are to go into Tiruvallீஸ்வரர் Temple. Vinayagar in this little temple is worshipped as Sannadi Vinayagar. Thiruஞான சம்பந்தர், the 7th century Tamil Saivat poet, venerated Lord Shiva, which are compiled in Thirumarai. As this temple revered in Devaram, it is classified at Padal Betta Sthalam. It is the main entrance of this temple. It faces the east. The three-tiered main tower, that means Rajagopuram, welcomes us. This temple is closely associated with Rajaraja Chola III. There are 14 inscriptions from the Chola Empire. The inscription indicate gifts in the form of lamps, food and gold to the temple by various devotees and ruling kings. As per one of the legends, planet Jupiter, cursed by Menaka, on the advice of the Markandeya Maharishi, he reached this place, got a dip, worshipped the preceding deity and got relief from that curse. So in this temple, there is a separate shrine to the planet Jupiter at the right side of the entrance. Devotees to pray that Jupiter to get remedy for their sins. It is a shrine of the planet Jupiter. In Hindu mythology, the planet Jupiter is worshipped as Guru Bhagavan. Shall we offer our prayer to Guru Bhagavan?
வேதவற்பிலே புனத்தில் மேவி நிற்கும் அபிராமன் வேதவற்பிலே புனத்தில் மேவி நிற்கும் அபிராமன் வேதவற்பிலே புனத்தில் மேவி நிற்கும் அபிராமன் விடுபச்சி பாதபத்மம் இது சச்சை முடி தோய வேதவற்பிலே
In every Hindu temple, we can find Kodimaram, that means flagstaff, and Palibidam, sacrificial altar. These are essential structures in South Indian Hindu temples. They are placed between the main entrance and the sanctum. The Kodimaram symbolizes a spiritual antenna for divine energy. Palibidam represents the surrender of the ego. The Kodimaram and the Palibidam serve purification points for devotees before worshipping the main deity. Kodimaram, the flagstaff used to hoist a flag during the festivals. It signals the start of auspicious events. There are two entrances to this temple. One is south facing. This is the south face entrance. Another entrance to this temple is east facing.
ஆனபுத்தி புகழ்வாயே காதுமுற்ற வீர பத்ர காளி வெட்ட மகுடாம் காதுமுற்ற வீர.
This is the east entrance to the sanctum. Kodimaram, in English it is called flagstaff. We are watching the top of the flagstaff. It is made of wood, often covered in metal, copper, brass or gold plated. In every Hindu temple, it is located between the Gopuram, that is the main entrance, and the Mandapa, that is main hall. After the Kodimaram, we can worship the Nandiswarar. Nandiswarar means bull, the holy mount of Lord Shiva. we are at the main shrine. Lord Shiva is in the form of Sivalinga. Lord Shiva is worshipped as Tiruvallishwarar. Let's offer our prayer to Lord Shiva.
எழுத்தை ஓதுவித்த பெருமாள் ஓரெழுத்தில் ஆறெழுத்தை ஓதுவித்த பெருமாள்.
Goddess Parvati Devi's shrine is at the right side of the Tiruvallishwarar shrine. In this temple, Goddess Parvati Devi is worshipped as Jagadambigai. Shall we offer our prayer to Jagadambigai?
சிவ சிவ என்கிற தீவினையாளர்.
There are 63 Saiva saints in Hinduism. They are worshipped as Nayanmars.
என்கிற தீவினை.
The little tower at the top of the main shrine is called Vimanam. There are so many types in this Vimanam. This Vimanam is look like a backside of the sitting elephant. It is called Gajaprastha Vimanam.
தீவினை மாளும்.
The wall around the sanctum is called Kostam. There are many divine idols on the Kostam. The idol of Vinayagar.
சிவ சிவ என்றிட தேவரும் ஆவர்.
The idol of Vishnu on the Kostam. Vishnu is worshipped as Perumal. God of Creator is worshipped as Brahma in Hindu mythology. The idol of Brahma on the Kostam.
தேவரும் ஆவர். சிவ சிவ என்றிட தேவரும் ஆவர். சிவ சிவ.
The idol of Dakshinamurti. Dakshinamurti is one of the form of Lord Shiva.
சிவ சிவ என்றிட தேவரும் ஆவர்.
The idol of Durga Devi.
சிவ சிவ என்றிட தேவரும் ஆவர். சிவ சிவ எல்ல சிவகதி.
The idol of Ragu and Kedu. Murugan is with his concert Valli and Devasena is housed in a separate shrine. The idol of Vinayagar with his two concerts.
மேவி நிற்கும் அபிராம வேத வெற்பிலே புனத்தில் மேவி நிற்கும் அபிராம விடுபச்சி பாதபத்மம் மிது சச்சை முடி தோய்.
The idol of Bhairavar.
புனத்தில் மேவி நிற்கும் அபிராம
Planetary god Sun.
பாதபத்மம் மிது சச்சை முடி
The idol of Arnagirinathar.
வேளை புக்க ஆரிரட்டி புயனேய.
The idol of Kashi Vishwanathar and Vishalachi. The Sivalinga was worshipped by Hanuman is housed in a separate shrine.
ஆதரித்து வேளை புக்க.
The idol of Indran on the white elephant.
வேளை புக்க ஆரிரட்டி புயனேய ஆதரத்தோடாதரிக்க.
Now we are at the second present of this temple.
ஆதரித்து வேளை புக்க ஆரிரட்டி புயனேய ஆதரத்தோடாதரிக்க. ஆன புத்தி புகழ்வாயே.
Sage Bharadwajar worshipped the presiding deity in the form of sparrow. The sparrow name is Valiyan, so this place is called Tiruvallidayam. And the Shiva is worshipped as Tiruvallishwarar. So we can find so many birds in the second present even today.
காளி வெட்க மகுடா ஆகாச முட்ட வீசி விட்ட அனர்பத்தி மயோரை ஓதுவித்த நாதர் கற்க ஓதுவித்த முனிநான. ஓதுவித்த நாதர் கற்க ஓதுவித்த முனிநான. ஓரெழுத்தில் ஆறெழுத்தை ஓதுவித்த பெருமாளே. ஓதுவித்த நாதர் கற்க ஓதுவித்த முனிநான. ஓரெழுத்தில் ஆறெழுத்தை
every Hindu temple we can find a sacred flower garden that is called Nandavanam in Tamil. Nandavanam is designed to cultivate fresh flowers, medicinal plants, and auspicious trees for daily deity worship and garlands. It is often revered to meet ecological and aesthetic needs. Hindus give most importance to natural, especially to trees. In every Hindu temple we can find a holy tree. It is called Sthala Vricham. Priest tree is the holy tree of this temple.
சிவ சிவ என்கிற தீவினையாளர் சிவ சிவ என்கிற தீவினையாளர் சிவ சிவ எல்கிற தீவினை மாடும் சிவ சிவ எல்கிற தீவினையாளர் சிவ சிவ எல்கிற தீவினை சிவ சிவ என்றிட தேவரும் ஆவர் சிவ சிவ எல்
In Hindu temple, there is a place to lit oil lamps. Devotees who come to this temple offering their prayer and lit the oil lamps. The burning oil symbolizes the burning away of human ego and negative tendencies. The flame is considered a form of the deity or witness to prayers, embodying the element of fire.
சிவ 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 என்றிட தேவரும் ஆவர் சிவ சிவ எல்ன சிவகதி.
In Hinduism, planetary gods are worshipped as a Navagragas. 9 planetary gods are housed in a separate shrine.
என்கிற தீவினையாளர் சிவ சிவ எல்கிற தீவினை மாடும் சிவ சிவ எல்கிற தீவினையாளர் சிவ சிவ எல்கிற தீவினை மாடும்.
This is called Alangara Mandapam. In this hall, we can find the idol of Shiva and Parvati on the Rishabham. Rishabham means bull. It is the mount of Lord Shiva. We believe you have got a live experience by watching our presentation. If you get a chance to visit Chennai, don't miss to visit this oldest temple. May God Shiva and Goddess Parvati Devi shower their blessings on all of our viewers. Shivaya Namaga.
சிவ சிவ எல்கிற தேவரும் ஆவர் சிவ சிவ எல்கிற தேவரும் ஆவர் சிவ சிவ என்ன சிவகதிதான்